Today, a federal judge in Boston rebuked the Trump administration's attempt to deport immigrants who participated in pro-Palestinian protests on college campuses last year. District Judge William Young ruled the attempted removals were unconstitutional, writing, quote, "The effect of these targeted deportation proceedings continues unconstitutionally to chill freedom of speech to this day." Meanwhile, the Attorney General Pam Bondi has issued a memo ordering a multi-agency coordination to protect detention facilities in cities like Portland and Chicago. Joining me now is CBS immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez. Camilo, tell me about this memo and what's the point here?
Sure, John. So Attorney General Pam Bondi is ordering law enforcement officials from across the Justice Department to deploy to different parts of the country to protect immigration and customs enforcement facilities, including those detention centers that have seen massive protests and confrontations in recent weeks, including in Chicago and Portland. These will include agents from the ATF, the DEA, the FBI, and the U.S. Marshal Service. And the Attorney General is directing these agents to, quote, suppress any unlawful rioting outside of these ICE facilities and to protect the ICE personnel who are going after people who are suspected of being in the country illegally. Importantly, John, the Attorney General is also directing federal prosecutors at the Justice Department to go after people who are impeding, inhibiting, or intimidating these agents too.
So how does this play out across the country, what do you think?
Well, rising tensions over ICE activity continue across the country, not just in Portland and Chicago, John, but also here in New York City. We have seen just in the past week, altercations outside of the federal immigration court here involving an ICE official, for example, last week pushing a woman from Ecuador to the ground in front of her children. Today, a group of journalists were pushed by ICE officials outside of that immigration court. And ICE would argue, John, that rhetoric against ICE agents is contributing to this really tense environment. But of course, advocates would say that the agency's aggressive tactics under the Trump administration are also contributing to this really tense environment.
Give me an update. There's been some change on DACA. We got about 20 seconds.
Sure. So DACA is, of course, the policy that protects so-called dreamers, people who came to the U.S. illegally as minor children. It has been closed to new applicants since 2021 because of litigation. The Trump administration, because of a new court ruling back in January, is reopening the program to new applicants. The caveat is that the administration is saying it has the discretion to try to end this policy yet again.
Amazing, Camilo. Thank you very much, as always, for being with us.